Ready to experience silence like never before? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine commuting, working, or simply relaxing, completely immersed in your audio, free from distractions. That's the magic these deliver. They intelligently adapt to your environment, making every listening session pure bliss, whether on a plane or in a bustling cafe. And you won't be tethered to a charger, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life. That's enough power for multiple long flights or weeks of daily use without a second thought. Switching between devices is seamless with multipoint connection. Effortlessly jump from your laptop video to a phone call. These aren't just headphones. They're a premium audio investment designed for those who demand the absolute best in sound and serenity. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience, find the latest pricing and grab your own pair via the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, for unparalleled noise cancellation and exceptional performance, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are the best headphones you can buy in 2025.